What's going on? So today we're going to be working on the Mustang because there's actually a really annoying clicking sound that's coming from the AC. It sounds like this. It's a clicking sound, and that's coming from AC over here. Actually, the fan, the door's not opening properly. So if you turn it down here, it shuts off. The door opens properly there, but then when you turn it back there, it clicks. Super annoying, and we're gonna fix it. For this fix, it's pretty easy. Really only need a new actuator right here and a socket wrench. This one's a 10mm for a 2007 Mustang, but basically you're taking a couple screws, taking this guy off, and then replacing it with a new one. Now, to get access to it, you're gonna have to open the glove box. Most glove boxes have little tabs on the side, so you're just basically going to push the tabs inside and it's gonna drop in, and you can have access inside and back there. So there's a couple actuators. Let me see if I can get closer. So there's an actuator here that's for the footwells. This is not the one that's broken. It's actually the one at the very top up there. Basically, I'm gonna get up there and unscrew that guy. Unfortunately, it's not very easy to get to, so we're gonna have to do our best to reach in there. There might be an easier way to get up there, but the only way right now is to reach up in there and kind of do our best to guess how to get in there. So the actuator's unscrewed, kind of a pain, but and now we pulled the red pin, just like that. So this is the old one. It has an arm on there. We're gonna have to take the arm off and put it on the new one, just like this. So what you're gonna need to do to pull that thing off is really just grab a flathead screwdriver, put it under here. Be careful not to strip or anything, and then just gonna pry it up slowly, and it'll actually release from the teeth, just like that. There you go. Now this arm we're gonna put on the new one. Here's the new one. Make sure the thing's oriented in the same way so that the arms are, so actually you can't get it wrong. If you look at it, there's a flat part at the bottom, and then there's a flat part at the bottom here. We're gonna match those up, put that in, and that's basically it. Now we push it all the way through. We're gonna put this guy right back into where it came from. There's not really a good way to do this. It's kind of have to put it back how we took it out, and it's pretty small in there. We gotta make sure to put this arm back where it was slotted before. Put the two screws back in and plug it back in, and we should be good to go. So actuator's installed, screws are in. Ooh, forgot to don't forget this. The red clip, it might pop out, so let's put that back in too. Here's a moment of truth. Turn the car on. Yes, I know the door is open. So this is turning it down to the bottom. No air from up there, it's good. Motor works down there. And now let's turn it back off. Turn it back here, no clicking, yay. So, air good here. Just turn it on to max AC. Vents work, hear the air blowing. Sweet. And I'm back to off, so the vents close. Pretty sweet. And all we do is close the glove compartment back up with two hands, because that's needed. And you're done. Pretty simple fix. The actuator's I think about 10 bucks. Definitely sounds worse than it is. Actually kind of has a little bit of burning smell because this is a little motor, and it's actually pretty gross when you're driving. So if you have an older car, you hear some clicking coming from the AC, especially when you turn the dial, it's probably an actuator, super cheap, super simple to fix, and really maybe a 15-minute job, 20 minutes if it's real in there. So not too bad. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.